KQL has various functions for doing statistical calculations, for example, min and max. It would be nice, though, if I could pass in a series of data and let it do all those calculations for me at once. That's where series stats comes in. Here I've declared a dynamic array, and I'm going to call the series stats passing in that dynamic array. When I execute this, in the output, you're going to see each statistic is placed into its own column. I have the minimum, the maximum, the average, standard deviation, and other types of statistical information. If I don't want individual columns, I can actually return a JSON object. And here in the output, you see a single value that is a JSON collection, min 2.0, min IDX 8, and so forth. I can use this in conjunction with make series to return statistics for a particular value. Here, I'm going to make a series of the average counter value, and then I'm going to put this into series stats dynamic, and it's going to return me that JSON object with the information I'm looking for. Here is our output. We have our computer name, we have the array with our average counter values, array with time generated. If I scroll to the right a little bit, you'll see the JSON data associated with these particular arrays of information. I can actually make things easier to read by taking the individual values and projecting them. We've seen an example of this before. What I'm bringing them back into, I have my series stats, and then I'm going to project them by referencing the individual properties, mySeriesStats dot min, dot max, dot average, and so forth. And you can see these are broken out into individual columns.